Whether you're looking for a budget vacuum cleaner, there are chances you might be surprised at how good the performance you can experience from affordable options. Indeed, they lack some of the upscale features like adjustable suction, cord rewind, and others, but certainly get the cleaning tasks done. So, to make your purchasing easy, today we will show you the 5 best budget vacuum cleaners. And without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome to Smart Home 101. Here, we will be sharing insightful videos to familiarize you with the idea of a smart home and automation tips. After testing and analyzing thousands of products, our team of experts have come up with buying guides, reviews, recommendations, and the latest buzz so that you are always up to date with the current smart home trends.
Forget about vacuuming for months and keep your hands clean by using the Prembot P3, a robot vacuum cleaner that features sleek design to easily navigate your home and keep your wallet safe from burning. Its 9-deck brushless motor creates a powerful 2300 PS suction to effectively pull in all sorts of stubborn dirt and dust from the surface. Thanks to its 100-degree visual angle with gyroscope navigation and 21mm optical surmounting, this toy can plan more efficient routes and scan the room layout precisely. It's equipped with infrared sensors to vacuum in complete darkness. Besides, the infrared sensing system also recognizes the ground texture and switches the suction according to flow type. For storage, this vacuum cleaner has a 580ml dustbin and a 240ml electrical control water tank for which it can effectively mop the floor without leaking. Its superb 2600mAh battery cleans up to 120 square meter of area on a single charge, and when the P3 is low on battery, it will automatically dock itself and recharge at the charging station. You can also control its various aspects through voice commands as it supports both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Overall, the Prembot P3 is an amazing robot vacuum cleaner that will take care of your entire house on its own and save you from the hassle of keeping your floors clean. Most of the traditional canister vacuums are pricey and hard to maneuver for their heavy weight, but the Eureka Whirlwind bagless vacuum is lightweight in design and affordable for almost everyone. It comes included with 3 cleaning settings such as carpet, upholstery, and hard floors, which are suitable for multiple applications. Along with that, its integrated airflow control allows you to switch the cleaning settings depending on your needs. Not only that, this budget-friendly vacuum cleaner can save your piggy bank, as its reusable 2.5-liter dust container ensures zero maintenance, meaning you don't have to purchase and use any filters or bags whenever any mess happens. Being 8 pounds in weight, you can move around anywhere inside your house from your kitchen to the kids' room effortlessly. A big thumbs up to its swivel steering and telescoping metal wand, which enables you to maneuver under and around hard-to-reach areas. In summary, considering the reasonable price tag, multi-surface suction control, and portability, the Eureka Whirlwind bagless canister is the top performer compared to traditional vacuums. Over 140 years of floor care innovation, Bissell is the name that you can rely on. Now meet the CleanView 2486, an upright vacuum cleaner that offers overall great features all under an affordable price range. With its one-pass technology, this cleaner offers powerful suction and innovative brush design to clean on the first pass, while its scatter-free technology reduces scatter on your hard floors. On top of that, its powerful and multi-cyclonic system captures and keeps dirt locked inside for extended machine performance with no loss of suction. It comes with a 25-foot power cord, a 6-foot hose, and a 13.5-inch cleaning pad to provide an extended cleaning reach. And with its washable filters and a multi-level filtration system, this machine's maintenance is a breeze. Its onboard storage keeps specialized tools, including the turbo brush tool, dusting brush, crevice tool, and extension wand close by while cleaning. So, if you're looking for a powerful canister vacuum for yourself, the Bissell 2486 CleanView is no exception at this price point. Whether you have a furry friend and kids inside your home, a mess can happen anytime. And in this scenario, cordless vacuum like the Wyze is a blessing for you. With that being said, it offers 3 suction levels and has up to 24,000 Pascal suction power that wipes away all the mess like dirt and hair surprisingly. Plus, it's super lightweight as it weighs only 2.8 pounds, so you can reach everywhere in the house without any hassle. In addition, depending on your cleaning tasks, its detachable cleaning heads become helpful, and if you want, you can also use it as a handheld vacuum cleaner. When your house cleaning is done, simply remove the dust collector bin and empty it while keeping yourself safe from dust and allergens. Apart from that, it does not require tons of space to store. You can simply hang it on the wall or store it inside the cabinet along with other appliances. Last but not least, the Wyze cordless is slightly expensive, but if you compare it with other cordless vacuums, it offers more than your expectation. Looking for an easy solution to thoroughly clean your home? Meet the X-Rex, a handheld cordless vacuum cleaner that can make your cleaning work much more convenient. Don't be fooled by its portable size, as it's equipped with a robust motor with suction pressure up to 8,000 Pascal to deep clean your house. Despite the powerful suction pressure, it's silent as well. The noise-reducing technology helps you produce noise less than 75 decibels, which helps you in your daily cleaning without disturbing the others. Moreover, it comes with 3 different attachments to help clean in different scenarios where your hands normally cannot reach. In addition to that, this mini vacuum cleaner packs a 2000 mAh battery that can give you more than 20 minutes of use just from a single charge. What's more, it's got 3 layers of protection, including temperature, input voltage, and current protection for you and its safety. So, don't wait for a second and grab this handheld cordless X-Rex vacuum cleaner for you if you want to make your household cleaning work effortless. So, these were the 5 best budget vacuum cleaners just for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.